Learn how to activate AC Guard on pizza ovens with SD Amigo Pizza Panel. The Sveba Dahlen AC Guard is a smart power distributing device that makes it possible to connect the oven to a smaller circuit breaker. This means that the AC Guard distributes the power to the decks that need it most. No need to upgrade the power into your bakery. The oven handles it by itself. The AC Guard must be activated on all of the oven's panels in order for it to function. If it is only activated on one panel, the oven will display an error message. The lower panel is always the master unit, so you should first set the fuse size on that one. Press both the plus and minus buttons at the same time next to the second display from the top, front heat. After a few seconds, you will enter the parameter list. On the third display, top heat, press the plus and minus buttons until it shows 1. If it already shows 1, you don't need to adjust this display. On the upper display, the temperature, use the plus and minus buttons to select the fuse size for your facility. In this example, 32 amps. Then wait for the panel to switch back to off mode, which takes about 20 seconds. Now it's time to activate AC Guard. Press and hold the minus button for the lower display, bottom heat, while simultaneously pressing the plus button for the third display, top heat. When the parameter list appears, select parameter 20 on the third display. The upper display will then show 0. Adjust the upper display to 1 using the plus button. You have now activated AC Guard for the lower panel. Next, activate this function on the oven's other panels. Press and hold the minus button for the lower display, bottom heat, while simultaneously pressing the plus button for the third display, top heat. When the parameter list appears, select parameter 20 on the third display. The upper display will then show 0. Adjust the upper display to 1 using the plus button. AC Guard is now activated in both panels in this example. When we start the panels, AC Guard will automatically prioritize the oven deck that is furthest from its set temperature. In this example, room temperature is furthest from the upper deck's set temperature, so the lower deck's indicator lamp will start blinking, while the upper deck's lamp will remain steady. This means that most of the power goes to the upper deck. This can shift depending on how frequently the oven doors are opened. But the rule is that the indicator remains steadily lit on the deck whose heating elements are working the hardest. If you want to turn off the AC Guard function, press and hold the minus button for the lower display, bottom heat, while simultaneously pressing the plus button for the third display, top heat. Then adjust the value for parameter 20 from 1 back to 0 on both panels on the upper display and wait for them to switch back to off mode.